Education is the ability to listen to almost anything without losing temper or self-confidence by Robert Frost. Good morning to all of you. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you for this virtual international conference on basic and translational cancer research, novel ideas and approaches ICB TCR 2020, organized by Association of Cancer Education and Research, ASER, School of Life Sciences, B.S. Abdurrahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, in association with W.M. Keck Center for Cellular Imaging, University of Virginia, USA, supported by Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. I am delighted to welcome you all. Our understanding of the biology of cancer continues to grow rapidly, leading to new types of targeted treatments and novel therapeutic approaches. Genomics, the branch of molecular biology concerned with the structure, function, evolution, and mapping of individuals' genes, is already transforming the way medicine treats cancer. With the advent of drastically cheaper and higher throughput sequencing technologies, it's expected that single-cell sequencing will become a standard tool in oncology. The number of new FDA approvals in oncology continues at a rapid pace. In the past year, treatments were combined in new ways. Optimal dosing and scheduling were identified for existing treatments, and adverse effects were reduced. Researchers also identified groups of patients more likely to benefit from specific treatments and made strides in surgery and radiotherapy. This conference, ICB TCR 2020, is dedicated to learning, supporting, sharing, empowering, and communicating with others about cancer. This conference themes include cancer pathology, novel therapeutics, cancer diagnosis, immunotherapy, nano-based diagnostics and therapeutics, cancer stem cells, and drug resistance. This conference consists of a series of lectures by eminent scientists from India and abroad who are working on various aspects of cancer. The lectures will be covering on basic and translational aspects of cancer research, including proteomics, genomics, electrical therapies, photon microscopy, herbal medicine, etc. This conference also includes e-poster presentations by undergraduates, master students, PhD scholars, postdocs, scientists, and faculty members. I hope this conference will help to get exposure on various aspects of basic and translational research on cancer. Once again, on behalf of School of Life Sciences, I welcome you all for this conference. Thank you.